Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the voice chat in any game on your PlayStation 4. This is really easy to do. What you want to do is hold down the PlayStation button, open up the quick menu right here, and then go up to Sound/Devices, and then go to the right. Then you can go to where it says Mute Game Voice Chat and checkmark this. It says if you turn this on, your voice won't be heard, and you won't hear the voices of other players. This setting isn't applied to parties. So you can checkmark this and you won't hear any in-game voice chat. Now another thing you can do is go up to the party symbol right here and you can just create a party chat. Once you're in the party chat, it will go ahead and disable the in-game voice chat and you will only hear people in the party. So you can go to open party or close party, then you won't hear anyone. So if this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.